How to reverse video on ClipChamp. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go through the steps on how you can reverse video on ClipChamp. Well, ClipChamp is a popularly used video editing tool, and after being acquired by Microsoft in 2021, it comes as a built-in video editor with Windows 11. On Windows 10, the tool can be installed from Microsoft Store. However, when you try reversing the video on ClipChamp, right, if you right click on the video, you can see various options, but you can see there is no any options for reversing the video. Similarly, if you head into effects and try to find in the reverse effect, there is no any such option. Now, this is because ClipChamp doesn't offer you or doesn't yet support the reverse feature. Now, but while searching online, you may come across several guides for the process to reverse videos using ClipChamp. These guides and methods are nothing but workarounds to overcome the lack of features. On ClipChamp, what you can do is you can simply cut the video into small parts, which can be quite a hectic process. And what you can do is you can go ahead and reverse the video this way by rearranging the clips backwards once you have splitted it into smaller parts. So this is the only way on how you can split video in ClipChamp. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.